Ghana ha no ansa na benya information no then you call wunya adwuma e airport wunya adwuma e foreign affairs wunya adwuma wo defense enso wunya information no enya Ghana for na o
yes o muji
enti Okudezeto abrakwa no ye de nya information wonya adwuma wo ho enti Reverend Tim Fodwo wonya adwuma wo airport
mame ma wakwa aba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwoa searching ebusianfo Reverend Tim Fodwo NPP ni na anse ode ensem bi betudwa allegedly o kire say plane mi ni bi ba Ghana ha no na sa plane no enze sika na drubone kire koki wo plane mu se Ghana fo na ekoto so beton Ghana ha o kire hu asem ne so na ensem we beto ja no Felix Ofosu kwache owo president in office akosesa plane bia abrochi ne ties asay no de abegu internet ne so che plane be si wo Kotoka international airport na ne ties apapa na no mo yini e na plane fufu na be kan no e de equipment sa plane be si asay no omo de repair everybody yankopon nze nsembe to ja no Okudezeto abla obi Sambeja mfi a ono gold board no aka Sambeja mfi de aka security expert de fa ho be Sambeja mfi a jump free no office abeja asem du akotina radio so ne say Reverend Tim Fodwo ayo mugamu Sambeja mfi mbuhwe na ne left hand o de kasa che NDC for ko kasa che mu bia was mu ade che say na nsem we na e koso no e was Sompa FM guest and of course na wo che say na NDC for na mo say Reverend Tim Fodwo on for evidence mbra no kote no he no Okudezeto abla kwa abra na NPP for so no odi nsem ho ye ne singan bet na TV so radio so
aha any process transit point no you process cocaine no e wo ha e de ko I think it was about 2021 and ye din free sa listen so ko na montua aban tu no wo ho no ene ye din free sa cocaine listen so now unim said na men answer na me be deputy defense minister no na ye chairman of the defense and interior committee.
That's right.
I was the chairman.
That's right.
And ever since I'm a core parliament 2007 to the time when 2020 I'm free hoba no na ma da committee no so many the longest serving committee member defense and interior committee. And a lot of information, more intelligence, security, and it's any man. And Dr. Tim Fodwo, Reverend Tim Fodwo, Asama Okano, and the see father trasa or information. Okudezeto abrakwa, I'm say parliamentarians. No information about buying on Anamontio and answer or Memu and you may be a
foreign affairs.
Yes, the Okain in Ali, yet the Ejuma. Dear Honorable Okudezeto abrakwa kain in an, yet the Ejuma.
Teba foreign affairs,
everything.
Or Kasana Mufa.
Yefa. Because one no. And what was happy when we need no information. Look, Ghana had answer no information. Then you call wunya adwuma e wo airport. Wunya adwuma e wo foreign affairs. Wunya adwuma wo defense. Enso wunya information no. Enya Ghana for na o.
Yes, o muji.
Enti Okudezeto abrakwa no ye de nya information. Wonya adwuma wo ho. Enti Reverend Tim Fodwo wonya adwuma wo airport.
Yet
wonya information no. Ghana for etimi release information pa eno na security awo memu eye de adwuma obetise national security akwa passing to some issue bi no akwa seize bibi o makọ search wo hanya de eye information omunya
intel
na wunya information no a information is different from intelligence.
Okay.
Information no the raw data no a won saka no.
Okay.
Then you process the information
to get the intel,
to get the intelligence. You processing your stages of the processing, no?
Okay.
Intelligence processing, or intelligence cycle, no? You quality information, no? No why you say, and sana when ya intelligence, no? na wa release intelligence no am ye dia ye adwuma uduru ba bi na se ekokopem na se enkwa then you discard it obi be more information say na happen an robbery bi koso e bia ha say ni then what the akwa no yi bi afrim no ahwe say ebe no kura hifo and so obi akontate wo mo na ye say ni say no wa investigation wo hia na say no kura quickly no ano
you move.
You are moving. None of more. Maybe no more years, but with a intelligence a year when you are hunting, is not a fair and and yet your report to Yano. And yes, you're intimidating no because national security, Abase, the Obe who be a hodia report. The Obe be a report. You won't crofwa. And you won't more Juma. So won't be processing that information, not be your intelligence. And yet, the Juma. And what they are, they say, as a citizen, just give us the information. Near moving. I didn't think
also bet me this intelligence and information and command national security without doing a press conference. And
well, yeah, member of parliament
and a ranking member.
And the ranking member, no, you were chairman of the committee, who is a majority member. Then his counterpart, and the ranking member. Our minority.
Okay.
You will be our
deputy.
That is it.
Okay.
And same way you buy any I don't know what that actual parliamentary question. Say anka oswafo no honumra parliament no meme yano. O matranso. O mama namba. Very, very important issue. And the avenue I was so ye so or the bar out.
Okay. As a common so man by come bet mark iron in camera cra.
Now with the yes, most of the you crowd a security issue cra. You
sensitive.
That is it me behind the scenes now their umma. Me mama even budget hearing, budget debate. Time why ye be ya say a munsem no na emu odriye. Security issues ewo mni ade. Me suggest to the speaker say omianyano
in camera.
That's in camera. And it was accepted because all kwakwa kotuo ni mobanum ni yini ade captain ni ade na nyema ye dia bana say.
It's like you're revealing your strategy.
Yes, over my yini ade.
Okay.
There are so many issues be over. Border on security no team farmer yam farmer metubedwa but dey Nienya intelligence out of it that yet they are yet juma. Sano is all my ecoso. Now, what about provide information? Say one who say we na ecoso no. Wum now ye do what to tem kuru we say wo and ye say ye chiwo near prosecute war. Now why you mu? Time ben on team for your edis answer when you now have a trouble thing. Now time ben na security for no war airport no acquire inspection a war aircraft.
Now, who say by your intelligence and by your experience, no fee say plain be see what chain or yada.
From what we are hearing and what we are seeing, it was tough. Send team for Jody when you now back out. Because that's not the way they conduct search will play mu you won't grow for a year. We don't involve all the securities as if say a aircraft, no. And I involve all the security agencies. I know, say, all the security agencies in our airport, harbor near Adina. But at the point in time, will be